In this class, we'll cover these examples and many more. Each week will be composed of 2 lectures, a recitation and homework assignments. Each lecture is focused on a different real-world example. We will teach an analytics methods in the statistical software R. In the recitations, we present another example of the methodology and more practice in R. In a homework assignment, we provide additional problems and datasets. Midway through the class, we'll run an analytics competition. We'll challenge you to build a model and get the best accuracy possible. At the end of the class, we'll test you on all the methods used. The questions will be real-world problems. Let me comment on the overall goal of the class. This class aims to make you comfortable using analytics in your career and your life. You will know how to work with real data and will have learned many different methodologies and how to use them using R. In the end of the day, we want to convince you that analytics provides an edge to your career and your life.